Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix UEIO signature error is invalid in Fortnite. This error is invalid usually means Fortnite detected one or more corrupted or mismatched game data files. And Epic Games has acknowledged that some players experiences this error and recommends the following steps. So firstly, you need to open your Epic Games or Fortnite Games file. And after that, you can simply go to this library in the left hand side. So from here, scroll a bit down and you need to click this three dot icon here. And here next to the Fortnite, you need to select this manage. And under this manage, you need to verify the file, select this verify. You need to wait for the verification to complete, then launch the Fortnite again. If it doesn't work, Epic notes that running verify more than once may be necessary. And the next is you need to check for any antivirus interference. Some antivirus software can quarantine or block .pack files if you use third-party antivirus software. And if you're on PC and error persists, you need to simply restart your computer. You can go to your Windows and select this power icon and simply select this restart. And that is it. This is how you can fix this issue. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.